If you was white, you would be going places. And I told her I was black and I'm still going places.
We're one, and we reject any intruder who seeks to divide us on the basis of race and color.
If you can think it, if you can dream it, then eventually you can have it.
Texas Southern University prepared me. There are some of us who understand that this institution is the means by which we will have greater opportunities in the future.
You have in your hand the responsibility to raise us from the low level we have brought ourselves into.
Because you were determined to succeed, and at the Texas Southern University we say succeed with excellence in achievement.